We're in an intensive pig farm. This is the farrowing crate area. These pigs here have just given birth. As you can see, they're confined in these farrowing crates. They can't stand up or walk or turn around. We found this piglet here which appears to have a broken leg. She can't wait there on this leg. As you can see, her tail's been clipped. They do that because the piglets become so frustrated in these intensive conditions that they cannibalise each other. The conditions are disgusting. There's cockroaches crawling up and down the walls. So we can hardly breathe in here because of the extremely high ammonia levels. As you can see, there's a dead piglet down there. A live piglet is sleeping on top of it, shivering. This is extremely unhygienic for these animals. I can't see how there can be any justification for this type of treatment of animals, especially animals like pigs that are as intelligent as 3-year-old children. That's been scientifically proven. We wouldn't treat dogs like this, so it's appalling that we treat intelligent animals like pigs in this way.